Hello friends, today we are going to discuss automobile batteries. So, in this video for the subject automobile engineering, unit number 5, electrical system and vehicle maintenance, we are going to discuss the principle and construction of lead acid battery, characteristics of battery. So, let us see what a battery is. So, for a battery, two or more electrochemical cells interconnected, each of which contains two electrodes and an electrolyte. Here the redox, that is oxidation reduction reaction, occurs at these two electrodes to convert the electrochemical energy into electrical energy. So, in simple words, a battery is a device which has two electrodes and an electrolyte. So, electrolyte is having, it is a chemical where oxidation reduction reaction takes place, and this converts electrochemical energy into electrical energy. In everyday usage, battery is also used to refer at a single cell. So, generally it is called as a single cell. A solid state batteries are batteries in which the electrolyte is in a solid state, which is responsible for the conduction of ions from one electrode to another electrode. So, here in solid state battery also there are electrodes, and due to a conduction of ions at the electrodes, a charge is produced. So, a charge is been given by the battery. So, 1800 Alessandro Volta invented the first modern battery. So, again the same thing we will discuss. So, based on the types of the battery, there is a alkaline battery and lead acid battery. So, just in simple words, battery is nothing but a device which stores electrical energy generated by the alternator, or the electricity which is being produced can be stored in the battery, a storage device. The battery provides energy input to the ignition system. So, basically in automobiles, depending on the type of material used for the battery, it is of two types. So, alkaline battery is there and lead acid battery is available. Now, first we will discuss a lead acid battery. So, the most popular type of automotive battery is the lead acid battery. The automotive battery is a type of rechargeable battery that supplies electrical energy to power starter motor, the lights, and the ignition system of the automobile. Automotive batteries provide nominal, that is 12 volts potential difference, that is the voltage, by connecting 6 galvanic cells in series. So, 6 galvanic cells in series will produce how much voltage? 12 volts, and each cell provides 2.1 volts. So, totally it will be 12.6 volt at full charge. So, generally it is called as the 12 volt battery. Now, construction. Now, speaking about the construction, the lead acid battery has the following components. So, the first is the container, the plates, active material, separator, battery terminal. So, the first part we will discuss is the container. So, what is a container? Container is basically the container of a lead acid battery is made up of glass, lead lined wood, ebonite, and the hard rubber, bituminous compound, and ceramic materials or molded plastics are seated at the top to avoid the discharge of the electrode. So these are the what we can with what we have seen. So these are the materials by which the container is made, and it is actually sealed so that the electrodes will not discharge. At bottom of the container there are 4 ribs, or on 2 of these rest the positive plate and other supports the negative plate. So 2 positive plates and 2 negative plates are there at the bottom of the container, having 4 ribs in total. The prism serves as support for the plates and at the same time protects them from a short circuit. So there are also prism serves, so that there is also a prism which supports the plate in order to avoid the short circuit in the battery. The material of which the battery container is made should be resistant to sulfuric acid, because what we use in the lead acid battery, the electrolyte is the diluted sulfuric acid. So the container material should sustain or resist the sulfuric acid and should not deform or it will porous and contains impurity when which may damage the electrolyte. So it should be of a good compound which can resist sulfuric acid and will not get damaged. So here you can see the container of the battery. So the size is also given. Okay, 3 compartments are there. Glass battery case. So it is made up of glass. Now in this diagram you can see the main components of the lead acid battery, what we have discussed. So the protecting case, that which is generally made up of plastic, that is, these are the terminals, the positive terminal, the negative terminal. Now this is the cell divider, you can see the cell divider, the positive electrode which is lead dioxide, next negative electrode, here you can see the negative electrode, again diluted H2SO4 which acts as a electrolyte. The same things are shown here, vent cap is there, the cell is there, plates, electrolyte, separators, the case at the outer side, the cell partition. Next component we will discuss is the plates. So the plates of lead acid battery is of diverse design and they all consist of some form of grid which is made up of lead and active material. The grid is essential for conducting the electric current and for distributing the current equally on the active material. If current is not uniformly distributed, the active material will loosen and fall out. So you can see these are the plates, negative plate and positive plate. So these are the negative plates and these are the positive plates. So arrangement of plates in the lead acid battery. So these are the references. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.